Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another videos, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix the carbon brushes of the regulator. This one is a regulator of 25 volt. Okay, so you can see its carbon brushes has worn off, and I have brought these carbon brushes from the market. So I'm going to fix these carbon brushes to this regulator, and I will save the money because this regulator is very expensive. So be with me, so I let you know how we can fix the carbon brushes. So first you can see this back side of this regulator. This is a cover. We have to remove this cover, and after it you can see these are the carbon brushes soldering here. So first we unsolder these old carbon brushes. So here's my solder is become heated too much, so I will try to unsolder the old one. So viewers, you can see now my carbon brushes are ready. You can see I make little soldering here to make it sharp on both sides, then they can easily cross through it. So we also need to take care of these springs, because these are very important. So to take care of this one, we fix this one carbon brushes. To fix first spring is little difficult, but they come out here. I take it here. It'll fix here and see. Okay, like here. Okay, then I put second one. Spring was come out. Second one I have put it like this. So I put like here. Okay, so you can see my carbon brushes are fixed. Now I will make soldering here. Okay. So here you can see now is looking little better. So now I will cover it. I put cover. Finish. Okay, now as you can see my regulator is ready. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.